You didn't fall in love with the wrong person. You fell in love with the feeling they gave you. It starts quietly. You meet someone, and something just clicks. They give you attention at the right time. They understand you, or at least it feels like they do. And suddenly your mind fills in the gaps. You don't see them as they are. You see them as who you want them to be. And this is where it begins. Your brain is not choosing the best person. It's choosing the most familiar pattern. If you've ever felt ignored in the past, you'll feel attracted to someone who is a little distant. If you've had to earn love before, you'll fall for someone who makes you chase it. Not because it's right, but because it feels known. Think about it. Why do you stay when someone gives you mixed signals? Why do you overthink their texts, their silence, their mood? Because your brain confuses uncertainty with excitement. When someone is unpredictable, your mind gets hooked. It keeps asking, what are they thinking? And that question slowly turns into attachment. Now add one more thing, timing. You don't just fall for a person, you fall for who you are in that moment. You felt lonely, maybe you needed validation, maybe you just wanted to feel chosen. So when they showed up, they didn't just become a person, they became a solution. But here's the truth most people miss. You're not in love with them. You're in love with how they make you feel about yourself. And once your brain links that feeling to a person, it holds on, even when the reality hurts. That's why you ignore red flags. That's why you justify their behavior. That's why leaving feels harder than staying. Because you're not just losing them, you're losing the feeling. Real love is calm. It doesn't make you question your worth, it keeps you guessing. So the next time you feel deeply attached to someone, pause for a second and ask yourself, do I actually love this person? Or am I just addicted to how they make me feel? That one question can save you from choosing the wrong person again.